skirt skirt. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to finally be filming with my good camera, a good sit down video, and today I'm going to be getting ready for a night out. And I decided while I was getting ready I would be talking you through the products I used recently, because I used to do this on my channel all the freaking time and it has been a hot second since I've done it. So yeah, these are my favorite products to wear, especially while going out, but just in general. I'm gonna be talking through them, tell you how I like to get ready, and kind of just another chit chat get ready with me. Who doesn't like those, you know? So let's get into it. First things first, putting my hair back, because no one likes having hair in your primer or your foundation or anything of that sort. I usually take it out after I'm done with like my powder and such though, so yeah. I'm going to be applying my Pop Zero Shine Prime Primer. Now, I am the type of person who, number one, I haven't gone makeup shopping in a really long time because I'm lucky, very grateful and lucky that companies will send me products and stuff. But I'm also that person who hasn't found that one primer that I swear by. So whenever I get sent a new primer, unlike other beauty products, I actually will try it out when I run out. And I feel like I run out of primer so much more than I run out of other things, because it's definitely a necessity in my makeup collection. And what's funny about primer is I think it's like, for people especially who don't watch YouTube videos, I think it's like the #1 beauty product that people skip. And see, I think that this is just the base of everything. If I don't have this, I won't feel put together at all. So definitely recommend a primer. I think if I could pick one primer, it would probably be the Lorac Hydrating Primer, but that stuff's like 60 bucks and I'm a broke college student and ain't nobody got time for that. Is this still washed out? Like, am I good? Oh, there. Yay. Sorry about that, y'all. Now, I hate, oh my gosh, can my hair not? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I hate doing my foundation on camera because I always get comments talking about how it's not my shade, blah, blah, blah. But I swear the camera just has the weirdest lighting when it comes to putting foundation on, and in person, these shades fit my skin perfectly. It just looks so much more orange when I put it on camera, but I swear to goodness that it is not as bad as it looks. So I'm just wetting my beauty blender the ratchet way. I have a bowl in front of me from my food I ate, and I have some leftover water, and I have my beauty blender. So I'm just literally too cold and too lazy to go to the bathroom. Don't be like me, okay? Recently, actually for a really long time, I have been mixing together my Fenty Beauty foundation, which I freaking love, and I would use this alone, but this is definitely my summer shade, and ever since turning to winter, this is definitely my like lightest shade I'll ever get. But I usually don't get this light, so I'm using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation, and I'm mixing it with my Fenty to make the perfect shade, you know? I usually do 1 pump of the Fenty and then like 2 pumps of my Bare Minerals. Mix it all together like so, and then apply. Okay, it doesn't look as bad as it usually does. Like, usually it comes out looking actually orange, and everyone's like, girl, are you colorblind? And I'm like, no, I'm sorry. I really hope you guys have been liking Vlogmas. I've been trying really hard with it, but I've also been having so much fun with it. I just like love when I do Vlogmas because I can always look back and like remember those times in my life, especially since this is like the last year I'll be in like full on college. I'll be like, oh my god, remember finals, like remember all those good times in this house with all my roommates. Because I will be living alone next year, which I'm really excited for content, because I'll be able to film whenever, like whatever, cooking, anything. I've been really into cooking this year, but I feel like I can never film cooking videos and stuff because my roommate, she works overnight and she sleeps right next to the kitchen. Her room is right there. So I feel really bad when I'm like talking or watching YouTube videos or anything while cooking, so I kind of make it separate. But if I'm living alone next year, I'll be able to crank out that content for you guys, and that's all I'll be doing. So I'm so excited for that. And with that being said, I'll always take video idea requests, so if you have any, please comment them down below. I'd really appreciate it. Next, I'm going to be using my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. and I will just be applying that to all the highlights of my face. I'm going to be kind of baking. I actually learned recently how to bake from Jaclyn Hill's video, and I didn't realize like how much of a difference it makes on your skin. And I've been like minorly baking, especially every single time I go out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Literally just copying her technique, like straight up. Taking my beauty blender and blending that baby out. After that, I just grabbed my translucent powder, and this one's from Kat Von D. It's the Lock-It Setting Powder, and this stuff is thebomb.com. I love it so much, and it's probably gonna get all over my black shirt, so I'm hoping for the best. I'm literally gonna do this. I'm just gonna tap that on like that. It looks so psycho at first. And I totally just like blew into my powder. Ooh, it's a look. It got on my nose, that's good. So I usually, it does not usually look like this. Like, I'm usually way cleaner with it, but just don't judge me. Like, you can never go too hard with the bake, okay? And I definitely got it all over my shirt. I don't know if you can see that, but frick. I don't know if I'm wearing this shirt out yet tonight, but I might. I want it to be an option, you know? So while I'm letting that bake, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. Now, ever since I can remember, I've been using the color Faint in my Naked Basics palette for my eyebrows, and recently I have changed to this like random e.l.f. small angled brush just because I needed a new one and I didn't want to spend that much money, and this makes my eyebrows come together so perfectly. I love this brush. Ooh, ah. You guys, my eyebrows have been the struggle to get perfect throughout the years, but I think I finally got it. I think I like the way I do it now. Part of me wants to try microblading so I don't have to do them like this every day, but now I'm so good at doing it that I'm nervous to have anyone, you know, permanently do anything to me. So ooh, ah. Voila! Now I'm gonna take my powder brush and stop looking like a complete psychopath and blend it all out. And after I blend this all out, you're gonna be like, oh my god, did you just airbrush your face? Because it seriously looks like it, and no, it's just letting that set a little bit with the extra powder. It just makes all the difference. Just gonna add a tiny bit more because your girl loves powder. And voila, that's the pretty face. And then now that I'm done with that, I don't want my hair to be crinkled or anything. I'm gonna take my hair out of the ponytail. I'm in like the weirdest mood because I haven't like had any social interaction in a second except for my workout class this morning, which had 3 people in it, and you don't really talk in those. So also, I hope you guys have been liking vlog. Did I already say that? I literally already said that. I feel like my lips are always really chapped in videos, so I'm gonna put my Rosebud Salve on. This stuff is the shit. It always will be the shit. It's amazing. If I can get it open. Guys, I just got my nails done yesterday for the first time in actually a year, and I feel like a bad bitch, but at the same time, I can't do so many things that I forgot I did with my nails, like opening little things like this. Like, am I good? Also, it's all to the side like that. Does that happen to anyone else's? Next, of course, I'll be priming my eyelids. I do my makeup in such a weird order, so don't judge me. But I'll be priming my eyelids with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I will swear by this shiz until the day I die, you guys. I don't know. I just think it does the best. It always will. It always has. I find that other eyeshadow primers just leave my eyes kind of oily, and I don't like that feeling. And then this has been my go-to going out routine. I'm gonna zoom in for my eyeballs. Oh yeah. I'm going to be taking the most original eyeshadow palette, the one I will always swear by. This is just your normal Naked palette, and I will be taking Sin with this really large shader brush and just putting that all over my eyelid. Ooh, ah, ooh. And I'm gonna be taking the same brush on the other side and taking Virgin. Just putting that lightly underneath my brow bone. And on my inner corners. And then I'll be taking a blender crease brush and I'm gonna be mixing Smug and Dark Horse in the crease. And that has been my go-to eyeshadow look. And you guys are gonna be shook by the next part. Recently, I have not been wearing eyeliner, which is so weird and so unlike me. If you've been watching me for a while, eyeliner was my staple. Actually, should I wear some today? Actually, you know what? I think I'll do a tiny bit of eyeliner today. I'll do full glam, you know? So first I do it like pretty dark and like a V on the crease of my eye. And girls, your eyes are twins. No. Girls, your eyes are sisters, not twins. Always remember that. And then I'll be taking just a little cotton pad like this, getting all that shadow off of that. Oh my gosh, what is up with my hand? I'm just a mess over here. Like, I wish you could see like my black shirt right now. And then I will be actually blending that all out. Maybe I'll call this full glam. Full glam with Sarah. Because next we will be taking my favorite eyeliner ever. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And just, you know, going hard, going ham. I'm gonna try to make this not as thick as usual, but whenever I mess up, it's way thicker, so don't judge me. Don't judge me, man, when I color in her hand. Don't judge me. She's thin. I like her. Not that I discriminate. I've just had a past of going too thick with the liner, you know? We love them. I love them. I'm happy. I'm happy I did it. Alright, now we're curling those babies with my Sephora eyelash curler. But, we are actually using fake eyelashes. Just because I've just been feeling myself in these fake eyelashes, you know? You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Oh my god, I broke it. I literally broke it. I might have to get new ones. Not get new ones, but take the new ones out. Frick! It's fine. She's just gonna be a little shorter than usual, I think. I have a history recently of putting pronouns on inanimate objects. And I like it, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Do you think this will be too short? I'm hoping this won't be too short, because if it is, I'm gonna be having to take a new pack out. But we're gonna let that baby tack up a little bit and apply it to the lid. She's not too bad. I didn't even let her tack up that much, but like I think she's fine. Alright, on to the next one. On to the next one. I think I got to my finger. No. There we go. I'm gonna let those girls dry, and I think they're gonna be good. You know, I'm gonna let them dry and put on mascara off camera, but it'll be fine, just because like I literally make the ugliest face when I put mascara on. But I have been loving this mascara recently, especially when it comes to fake eyelashes, so I gotta give it a shout out. Also, the eyelashes are Ardell Naturals. They will always be my go-to. They're so like, they blend in so much. Like, people are like, oh my gosh, your eyelashes are amazing. I'm like, oh my god, they're fake. And they're like, what? But yeah, this is Buxom, I think it's just called Buxom Lash Mascara, and it's black and it's amazing. Wow, we're really out here now. Like, we're stunning. Like, we are ready to take on the day. Now I will be zooming back out a little and focusing on the rest of my face. Starting out with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This stuff is my ish. I love this and I will swear by it for a very long time. It actually smells like chocolate, which is insane. And if you have a boo thing, if you have a boyfriend and he's gonna really like smelling this stuff, because you can actually smell on your face. Like, sometimes I'll do my makeup and then I'll like cuddle with my boyfriend. We'll like hug and go out to dinner or something, and he's like, oh, I smell your bronzer, just because he knows it smells like chocolate. But I love this stuff. I'm just gonna, you know, put it under my chin a little to hide that double chin I have that will never be getting rid of, and then form my face a little bit. I watched a video the other day about someone who had like baby hairs, and they were like, I love them because it's like a natural contour, and I was like, you know what, that's a really good way to look at it. I kind of wish I had baby hairs now. So just go hard right there and right there. It looks way more intense on camera than in person. I'm also gonna kind of pinch her a little and just go a little bit up my nose. Yay. Next, for blush, I've been using this Ciate London blush. This is in Baby Doll. It's just really shimmery, and usually I haven't liked shimmery blushes until recently. It just adds a pop to my face underneath my highlighter that I'll be applying next. You can barely even tell on camera. I don't like to go too heavy on the blush. And last, but certainly not least, for the face, I will be using my highlighter. This is Glow by Glam Glow. As you can see, I love this stuff. And I mix, well, usually I mix together this one and this one, but I think I'm just gonna be using gold today. Just go ahead and put that on my cheekbones there. It just gives the perfect little umph. Also put that down my nose, above my eyebrows on both sides, my temples I shall say, above my lip, voila. And then last but not least, for the whole makeup look, what I've been doing is wearing this Buxom Power Plump Lip Balm. This stuff is the perfect shade, and it really does plump your lips really well. And it keeps them hydrated. Add some hoops and I am ready to be out the door, you know? This is the kind of look you can even wear if you're wearing sweatpants out, which I might do tonight. You know what? I'm gonna put on my hoops to finish up this glam look. And then I'm just gonna edit this video until it's time to drink. You know, I almost forgot. Your girl needs her MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Whew. And there you have it. That is my full glam makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, comment down below the kind of videos you want to see on my channel, because I have been loving doing these videos, and I actually don't go to school for a whole semester ever again, so I will have a lot of time on my hands, and I'm willing to give that time to you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.
Chance, acid rapper, soccer, hacky sacker.